In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Microsoft Word document in Google Docs. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. To do this, you first need to make sure you've saved your Microsoft Word document onto your computer, and then we can move it into Google Drive. Now that you're on Google Drive, we're going to select New. From here, we're going to click on File Upload. Then you're going to navigate to where your file has been saved, select it, and then click Open. Give it time to upload. This will vary depending on your speed of your internet. Then we're going to select Show File Location. It looks like the folder. Select it once. It will then navigate to where it's saved, and you can see it below here. We're just going to double select it. At this point, it is converting it to a Google Doc, so it can take some time. Now that the file has been loaded, it still says .docx at the top. If you want it to be a Google Doc, we can do this. Click File, then click Save as Google Doc. Don't worry, your original file will stay the same. Select this once, it will open up a new tab, and now you have a Google Doc. The old one was simply Google's interpretation of the Word document. The new one is an actual Google Doc. But of course, on your computer, you still have your original Microsoft Word document. And you've also got that saved now in your Google Drive. As a nice comparison, here is my original one that was in Microsoft Word, and this is now my Google Doc file. And of course, we can actually view this in Google Docs by selecting it here, and we know it's this version because it says .docx. But of course, we're looking for that Google Doc file. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn other converting tips for Microsoft Word and Google Docs, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.